Here's another 5 Tagalog homograph words for this week. And first one ay puno. Puno. Puno means a tree and puno means full. Puno, full. Puno, tree. This bottle is not empty yet. Puno pa. It's still full. Puno pa. Puno, puno. And second word, we have the word Sala. Sala. Sala means living room. If you pronounce the word Sala, Sala means fault or sin. Sala, living room. Sala, fault. Sala, sala. And our fourth one ay Sawa. Sawa means python. But if you pronounce the word Sawa, Sawa. Example, this lady I know, there are days that she would crave for chicken, so it's chicken for lunch, and she would have another chicken for dinner. Then the next day or on the fourth day, I'll ask her, so, would you like chicken again for lunch? She would answer, no, I don't want chicken anymore. I'm chickened out. Sawa na. Sawa na ako. Ayaw ko na. Sawa na ako. Sawa. When applies to food, it's when you keep eating the same food over and over again and then you don't like it anymore because you had enough. Sawa. Sawa na. You can also use it for activities. For example, you like basketball and then you keep playing every day or whenever you have time, and one day you just stop playing, so your friend asks you so one day your friend asked you or he invited you to play basketball and your answer was no, not today, or I don't think I'm gonna play basketball again, maybe some other time. And he asks you why, and you wanna say you're getting tired of it or it's boring, it's not fun anymore. You can say nakakasawa na. Nakakasawa na. Or you wanna say I'm tired of it or I'm bored of it. Sawa na ako. Sawa na. Sawa, python, and sawa. Third one, we have Suka. Suka. Suka means vomit. Vomit. Suka means vomit. And if you pronounce the word suka, ka, suka means vinegar. Suka. 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 Vinegar. Suka. Suka. And last one for tonight, Tabi. Tabi. Tabi means on the side of the road. In the Philippines, when you're riding a bus or a jeepney and it's time for you to get off, you say para, para. You can find para on our last Tagalog homograph words, and you can find the link sa baba or sa taas. If it's time for you to get off the bus or the jeepney, you say para, and some people just say para. It means stop or this is where I get off. And some also add para, dyan lang sa tabi, dyan lang sa tabi. It means para, stop, this is where I get off, dyan lang sa tabi. If you say dyan lang sa tabi, it means you want the driver to pull over on that side of the road. Dyan, there, lang, just, sa tabi, on the side. And also, I just want to add Diyan and doon both means there. The difference is if you say doon, doon is much farther than diyan. If you say diyan, if you use diyan, it's within sight. And if you use doon, it is much farther than diyan. And also, you use doon if the place is not within sight. So, for example, if you ask me, where did you go? And I went to the park, I'll say, where did you go? Doon sa park. And another use of tabi, tabi can also mean to sit side by side or to sit beside someone. So if you wanna sit beside someone, you can say tabi tayo, tabi tayo. That means you wanna sit beside that someone. To sit side by side or to sit beside her or him. Tabi, tabi. And I almost forgot there's another use for tabi. So here's the example. Let's say you're on the road riding your bicycle or your motorcycle and there's people on your way. So you don't wanna run them over. So you say you want them to move aside. So you say tabi, tabi. That means move aside. Tabi. That's all for this video. See you next week. Bye. Good night na.